Caringo Swarm, now in its 7th release version, is a complete software stack. It leverages simple and emergent behavior with decentralized coordination to handle any rate, flow, or size of data. First launched in 2005, Caringo Swarm offers a straightforward value proposition that can assist in driving down the TCO associated with hyperscaler storage. Along with reduced costs, Caringo Swarm offers a solution that is easy, flexible, scalable, and reliable. Software-defined infrastructure is rapidly evolving and often introduces added levels of complexity and cost to your environment. Caringo Swarm is different. It not only works with your existing x86 hardware, but it can run on as little as 3 nodes. A Swarm cluster can be prototyped in a virtual lab, allowing for the rapid development of a working proof of concept and giving your IT staff the flexibility to learn how to manage it before a rollout occurs. The Caringo Swarm cluster boots in seconds from PXE or local USB storage, and the menu is simple and easy to use. Flexibility is built into the very DNA of Caringo Swarm. Applications can address data using a subset of the HTML 1.1 standard called SCSP. This standards-based approach means that there is no proprietary API, and applications or web services can be interfaced to Swarm in a matter of hours. Likewise, by basing their solution on the x86 platform, Caringo has ensured that you can tailor your Swarm cluster to both your budget and the requirements of your workload. Caringo FileScaler installs on any standard RHEL or CentOS installation on both a VM or physical system. It supports both Samba and NFS and can interface with your domain controller and Active Directory setup for granular storage access. Also, FileScaler doesn't offer localized storage. Instead, it presents a thin layer over top of your Swarm storage environment. To the OS, your storage appears to be file system based, but it really isn't. Caringo Swarm uses true object-based storage with no file system. You won't have to wait for hours or days for hundreds of terabytes of storage to initialize and be ready to use. It features a flat architecture where metadata is stored with the individual objects for the lifetime of the object and can reduce waste with up to 98% disk utilization. This parallel architecture allows for all nodes to run the same software and provides the ability to perform all operations. The self-contained software stack boots from bare metal and runs completely from RAM, leaving disk capacity for content. Caringo's innovative algorithm routes requests to the optimal nodes, and Swarm's plug-and-play linear scalability allows you to seamlessly evolve and retire hardware without downtime. Adding a new node couldn't be easier with Caringo Swarm. Once you've plugged in its network cable and finished the installation, you're done. Swarm handles the rest automatically. Swarm is self-healing. As it detects issues with your storage infrastructure, it will proactively move content elsewhere to ensure integrity. You can simply rip out a drive or node, and Swarm will replace your data as needed. Additionally, it supports multi-site automated failover for larger deployments, and it's compliant with all data retention standards. Swarm is easy to use. It works with your existing hardware and runs on as little as 3 nodes. You can easily create low-cost proof of concepts in a virtual lab to learn how to manage it before a rollout occurs. Swarm runs on x86 commodity or high-end hardware and can be deployed in both a virtual or physical node while providing you a variety of ways to interact with your data as well as providing application access via a subset of HTML 1.1. Swarm combines 0FS and 0DB to create a true object-based storage infrastructure with no file system in a massively parallel architecture. It runs completely from RAM and scales from a minimum of 3 to up to thousands of nodes. It's self-healing, includes multi-site automated failover, and is compliant with data retention standards. If you'd like to try Caringo Swarm, visit our website to sign up for a free trial. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn for more updates. Thank you for watching.